Stop drowning in a sea of to-dos and start visualizing your project's journey with the power of Jira workflows. First, let's dive into Jira and understand the foundation statuses. Think of statuses as the current location of a task in its life cycle from to-do to in progress to done. You might define these statuses to reflect your team's specific process. Now, let's explore the secret sauce workflows. Workflows map out the possible paths a task can take through your project. Click the Project Settings button for the specific project you're managing. In Project Settings, select Workflows. This takes you to the main workflow editor. Here, create or modify your workflow. Let's say your tasks begin in to-do. Drag the task from to-do to in progress. Now, you're deciding which route the task goes at. Appropriate transitions here like start progress, then assign another status, like testing. Give a suitable transition here too, like submit for review. For each transition like in progress, you can also fine-tune your settings. Perhaps you require issue validators, conditions, or post functions to move status for extra control. For example, set the assignee attribute so that each task transition requests each person to be assigned to a user. These customizations make sure your workflow matches your team's exact requirements. Now, go build. Once your workflow's complete, apply it to your project by associating the workflow to your project's issue types. This means that your tasks, represented visually on your board, will follow the workflow you designed. Watch how tasks move effortlessly through each stage. With statuses and tailored workflows, Jira transforms your task management, boosting team collaboration and keeping everyone informed. Now your project will be on the right track. Good luck and happy project tracking.